What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Hate You to Teach podcast. I'm your host, Hecho Salinas, and today we're diving deep into the heartbeat of the global financial revolution. Before we get into the headlines, let's look at the scoreboard. Right now, Bitcoin is trading at approximately $72,752. The momentum is real, and the signal is drowning out the noise. Today, we're talking about why Bitcoin isn't just a digital asset, it's becoming the ultimate collateral for a new world. Our first deep dive today looks at the core of the network. We often hear about SegWit and Taproot, but why did they matter? Think of it as a remodel for a house that needs to support a skyscraper. These upgrades weren't just about speed, they're about making Bitcoin programmable. And why does programmability matter? Because, as recently highlighted in Bitcoin Magazine, Bitcoin is the perfect collateral. In the traditional world, credit markets rely on trust and slow settlement. But in the digital age, we need digital credit. We are moving toward a reality where Bitcoin serves as the pristine base layer and credit markets are built on top of it. When AI agents, which by the way are already showing a strong presence for a Bitcoin as the native currency, start managing wealth, they won't want slow bank wires. They'll want the hardest money on earth. Now let's look at the global map. We're seeing massive shifts. In Paraguay, miners are navigating a complex regulatory landscape as the country realizes the immense value of its hydraulic power. Meanwhile, halfway across the world, we're seeing the impact of regional instability. Following recent strikes, Bitcoin outflows from Iran have surged. This reminds us that Bitcoin is a life raft. When a local system becomes uncertain, the exit ramp is digital. But it's not all tension. Look at Lugano. Tether and the city of Lugano are pushing Plan B, showing that local governments can integrate Bitcoin into the very fabric of a daily commerce. It's a blueprint for the world. We also have some massive updates for the Bitcoin 2026 conference. The legend himself, Arthur Hayes, has been confirmed as a speaker. If you know Arthur, you know he's going to bring the heat on the macroeconomic front. And speaking of big names, the political landscape in the US continues to shift. We're seeing more Trump linked Bitcoin initiatives like American Bitcoin, ABTC, signaling that Bitcoin is no longer a fringe topic. It is a central pillar of the national economic conversation. However, it's not all diamond hands. We're seeing reports of two major entities, specifically two notable Bitcoin holders, selling off portions of their stacks. Is this sign of the top or just a redistribution to the next generation of believers? At $72,752, the market is absorbing the sell pressure like a sponge. The takeaway for today, Bitcoin is graduating from a speculative coin to the collateral that will power the credit market of the future. Whether it's AI agents choosing it as their preferred currency or corporations utilizing digital credit research to treasury manage their assets, the trend is clear. I'm Hecho Salinas, and this has been Hecho to Teach. Stay humble, stack sats, and I'll see you on the next blog. Peace.